Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the picturesque landscape of the Millennium Cricket League, A Division B clash unraveled with the DCW Warriors clashing swords with Stumpers Cricket Club. A narrative destined to be etched in cricketing folklore begins today.
Under the brilliant azure skies, a tale of bat versus ball took stage. We saw strategies unfold and heroes emerge in this classic encounter. The stage was set, the players ready, and a gripping story awaited.
As the sun beat down upon the green canvas, we must tip our hats to the event advertisers, without whom the spectacle might just have remained a mirage.
Just like DivGen Pharmaceuticals, which symbolizes the perfect opening partnership in pharma, and Faith Home Healthcare, symbolizing a century of victories, today's clash had the right elements of partnerships and triumphs.
The Warriors opted to wield the bat first, but their armor seemed to have chinks as they struggled to build an imposing fortress. Stumpets' bowlers, especially Krishit Patel and Bhavik Patel, spun a web around the Warriors, restricting them to a modest total.
The turning points came as quick as thunder, with spectacular catches and strategic bowling changes. Stumpets' bowlers were relentless, keeping the pressure mounted, and it was the fall of wickets at regular intervals that truly told the tale of the first innings.
The Warriors' innings was a tale of missed opportunities, with Kaving Govindaraju's vigilant 42 the only beacon. A valiant stand by Rohit and Kaving briefly lit the spark, but the Stumpers bowlers extinguished the flames with precision.
In a game of chess on the field, it was Stumpets' bowlers who yelled, checkmate with incisive spells. Bhavik Patel's economical magic, sprinkling only 11 runs in 8 overs, was the highlight of a strategic masterclass, squeezing the Warriors for runs.
The second act saw Stumpets' batsmen charge out with swords drawn high. Brij Patel's blazing 52 carved the way, and his partnership with Arpan Gandhi was the cornerstone that built Stumpets' path to conquest.
It was an innings where every ball counted, and each stroke was a brush on the canvas. Deyan Priyani and Rohit Vijala bowled with heart, but Stumpets' batsmen had the measure of the Warriors, with Arpan Gandhi striking 26 not out being the final nail.
On this battleground, Krishit Patel emerged as Stumpets' knight with the golden arm, while Brij Patel swung his bat like a mighty warhammer. Kaving Govindaraju was the lone warrior for the DCW Warriors, fighting valiantly against the tide.
The brilliance of Brij Patel with the bat and Krishit Patel with the ball was the catalyst that tilted the scales in Stumpets' favor. Their heroics scripted a memorable victory, engraving their names as the architects of this win.
And there we have it, Stumpers Cricket Club galloping to victory by 6 wickets. It was the Warriors' castle that crumbled under the siege, with Stumpets' tactical acumen and spirited chase leading them to glory.
A commendable win for Stumpers Cricket Club. A concoction of meticulous planning and spirited execution brought smiles and jubilation. For the Warriors, it is back to the drawing board, with lessons to be learned and armor to be forged. Stumpets' surge to victory in a wicket wonderland, where every delivery carved the narrative, and every shot painted the triumph. This clash will be reminisced as a ballet of strategy and skill, a testament to the game's enduring charm.
This glorious chapter concludes with Stumpers etching their victory in the annals of the F40 League. A match that will be a beacon of inspiration for encounters hence, reminding us that in the cauldron of competition, composure and strategy reign supreme.